And it's interesting that you say that because at Reiki Day, I just said, and I want my Muslim family to think about this. I just said, we're going into Ramadan. I said, turn your Reiki on before you pray and before you read the Quran. I said, it can expand your mind. It can allow you to see deeper into the Quran, get more esoteric meaning from it, as well as your prayer, because it'll quiet your mind and it can raise the frequency. So now, when you're taking that to prayer, I was saying to us, this is something that Allah gave me to tell us, turn it on. If you have it, turn it on. And I said to another friend of mine recently, I said, he's another Reiki practitioner. And I said, brother, you're an artist, you're a rapper. I said, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put you up on game that what Allah showed me. I said, turn your Reiki on before you write your rhymes and see what happens. Because it's gonna clear you out, but not only clear you out, empower you at the same time. So thank you for saying that. You just validated exactly what I said at Reiki Day. And I'm challenging my Muslim family, any of you who have Reiki, turn it on before you pray and before you read the Quran, and make sure you let me or Brother Mundakai know what happened, because I'm telling you, it's going to change you.